Hello everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Flow. I'm happy you're here today. In today's lesson, we are going to learn English through a real-life daily story. Today's topic is a busy Monday. Monday is the first day of the week for many people. Some people go to school. Some people go to work. Many people have a busy schedule on Monday. Today, you will learn how to talk about your daily routine, time, work, and school in simple English. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Daily routine vocabulary. Before we begin our story, let's learn some useful words. Monday. Repeat. Monday. Alarm. Repeat. Alarm. Breakfast. Repeat. Breakfast. Schedule. Repeat. Schedule. Meeting. Repeat. Meeting. Class. Repeat. Class. Homework. Repeat. Homework. Busy. Repeat. Busy. Late. Repeat. Late. Relax. Repeat. Relax. Excellent. Now let's use these words in simple sentences. Today is Monday. Repeat. Today is Monday. I have a busy schedule. Repeat. I have a busy schedule. I eat breakfast before work. Repeat. I eat breakfast before work. Very good. Starting the day. Now let's practice a simple conversation. Emma. Good morning. How are you today? Daniel. Good morning. I'm fine, but I'm very busy today. Emma. Why are you busy? Daniel. Because I have classes, homework, and a meeting. Emma. I hope everything goes well. Daniel. Thank you. Excellent. Practice time. Repeat after me. Today is Monday. Pause. Today is Monday. I have a busy day. Pause. I have a busy day. I need to finish my work. Pause. I need to finish my work. Let's get started. Pause. Let's get started. Excellent. Getting ready. Now let's continue. Friend. What time did you wake up? Emma. I woke up at 6 o'clock. Friend. Did you eat breakfast? Emma. Yes. I had eggs, toast, and a cup of tea. Friend. Did you leave home on time? Emma. Yes. I left at 7 o'clock. Wonderful. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Oliver woke up early on Monday morning. His alarm rang at 6 o'clock. He took a shower, got dressed, and ate a healthy breakfast. Before leaving home, he checked his school bag to make sure he had all his books and notebooks. He caught the bus at 7:30 and arrived at school before his first class started. Because he planned his morning carefully, he was relaxed and ready for the day. Now answer these questions. What time did Oliver wake up? At 6 o'clock. What did he eat? A healthy breakfast. What did he check before leaving home? His school bag. How did he get to school? He took the bus. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I woke up early. I have a busy schedule. I need to be on time. I finished my breakfast. I'm ready for the day. Very good. English learning tip. When talking about your daily routine, use time expressions like at 6 o'clock, in the morning, after breakfast, before school, in the afternoon. These expressions help you describe your day clearly. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. Today is a busy Monday. I woke up early. I finished my breakfast. I'm ready to start my day. I will do my best today. Fantastic work. Today, you learned useful daily routine vocabulary, practiced simple conversations, and talked about a busy Monday in English. In Part 2, we will learn how to talk about school and work activities, manage a busy schedule, and continue improving your English through real-life conversations. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 2. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 1, we learned useful daily routine vocabulary, practiced simple conversations, and talked about starting a busy Monday. Today, we will continue learning English through real-life conversations. You will learn how to talk about school and work activities, manage a busy schedule, ask for help, and describe your day in simple English. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. A busy morning. Monday mornings are often very busy. Listen carefully. I arrived at school on time. Repeat. I arrived at school on time. My first class started at 8 o'clock. Repeat. My first class started at 8 o'clock. I listened carefully to my teacher. Repeat. I listened carefully to my teacher. I wrote important notes. Repeat. I wrote important notes. Excellent. Conversation at school. Emma. How is your Monday going? Daniel. It's very busy, but I'm enjoying it. Emma. What classes do you have today? Daniel. I have English, science, and mathematics. Emma. Which class do you like the most? Daniel. I like English because it's interesting. Emma. That's great. I enjoy English too. Wonderful. Practice time. Repeat after me. My first class starts at 8. Pause. My first class starts at 8. I wrote important notes. Pause. I wrote important notes. I'm learning something new today. Pause. I'm learning something new today. I'm enjoying my classes. Pause. I'm enjoying my classes. Very good. Asking for help. Sometimes we need help during a busy day. Friend. Excuse me. Can you help me with this homework? Emma. Of course. Which question is difficult? Friend. I don't understand number 5. Emma. Let me explain it to you. Friend. Thank you so much. Emma. You're welcome. We're classmates and we help each other. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Sophia had a very busy Monday at college. She attended 4 classes before lunch. After lunch, she worked on a group project with her classmates in the library. Later, she met her teacher to ask a few questions about her assignment. Before going home, she finished her homework in the study room. Although she was tired, she felt proud because she completed everything on her schedule. Now answer these questions. How many classes did Sophia attend? 4 classes. Where did she work on her group project? In the library. Who did she meet after lunch? Her teacher. How did she feel at the end of the day? Tired but proud. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I'm having a busy day. Can you help me? Let's study together. I finished my homework. Everything is going well. Very good. English learning tip. When talking about your day, describe events in order. For example, first, I went to class. Then, I studied in the library. Next, I finished my homework. Finally, I went home. Using these words makes your English easier to understand. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I arrived on time. I learned many new things. My schedule was busy. I finished all my work. Today was a successful day. Fantastic work. Today you learned how to talk about school activities, ask for help, manage a busy schedule, and describe your Monday in English. In Part 3, we will practice longer conversations, talk about afternoon activities, solve everyday problems, improve your listening skills, and learn more natural English expressions. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 3. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 2, we learned how to talk about school and work activities, manage a busy schedule, and ask for help. Today, we will continue with longer conversations. You will learn how to talk about your afternoon, complete your tasks, solve small problems, and use more natural English expressions. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Let's begin. A busy afternoon. After a busy morning, there is still a lot to do. Listen to this conversation. Emma. How is your Monday going now? Daniel. It's still busy, but everything is going well. Emma. What are you doing this afternoon? Daniel. I have a group project after class. Then I need to finish my homework. Emma. That sounds like a full day. Daniel. Yes, but I'm happy because I'm learning new things. Excellent. Now repeat. What are you doing this afternoon? Pause. What are you doing this afternoon? I have a group project. Pause. I have a group project. Everything is going well. Pause. Everything is going well. Very good. Completing my tasks. Friend. Did you finish your assignment? Emma. Yes, I finished it before lunch. Friend. Great. What will you do next? Emma. I'll review today's lessons and prepare for tomorrow's class. Friend, that's a good plan. Emma, I like staying organized. Wonderful. Making plans after school. Daniel, what are your plans after college? Emma, I'm going to the library to read for 1 hour. Daniel, after that? Emma, I'll go home, have dinner with my family, and relax. Daniel, that sounds like a perfect evening. Emma, yes. I think it's important to rest after a busy day. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Emily had many things to do on Monday. After her afternoon classes, she went to the library to study for her English test. She met 2 classmates there, and they reviewed their notes together. Later, Emily visited the campus cafe and bought a sandwich and a cup of tea. When she arrived home, she completed her homework, helped her younger brother with his school project, and ate dinner with her family. Before going to bed, she read a book for 20 minutes and prepared her bag for Tuesday. Emily felt tired, but she was happy because she had finished everything she planned to do. Now answer these questions. Where did Emily study after class? In the library. Who did she study with? 2 classmates. What did she buy at the campus cafe? A sandwich and a cup of tea. What did she do before going to bed? She read a book and prepared her bag. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I've finished all my tasks. I'm going to the library. I'll prepare for tomorrow. Today was very productive. Now it's time to relax. Very good. English learning tip. When talking about your day, use linking words. For example, first, then, after that, later, finally. These simple words help your story sound smooth and easy to understand. Practice using them whenever you describe your daily routine. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I completed my homework. I studied with my classmates. I had a productive day. Now I'm ready to relax. Tomorrow is another busy day. Fantastic work. Today you practiced talking about afternoon activities, completing your tasks, making plans after school, and using natural English expressions. In Part 4, we will review everything with one complete story about a busy Monday, practice more listening, and finish with a speaking challenge to help you confidently describe your own daily routine in English. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 4. Congratulations! You have reached the final part of today's English listening practice. Today, you learned useful daily routine vocabulary, practiced real-life conversations, and improved your English through a simple story about a busy Monday. Now, let's review everything with one complete story. Listen carefully. Try to understand every sentence. Then repeat the important expressions with me. Let's begin. A busy Monday. Hello, my name is Sophia. Today, I would like to tell you about my busy Monday. Every Monday is a fresh start for me. I like beginning the week with a positive attitude. Last Monday, my alarm rang at 6 o'clock in the morning. At first, I wanted to sleep a little longer, but I remembered that I had many things to do. I got out of bed, made my bed, and opened the window. The fresh morning air made me feel awake. After that, I took a shower and got dressed. My mother prepared a healthy breakfast with eggs, toast, fruit, and a cup of tea. We ate together and talked about our plans for the day. At 7 o'clock, I packed my backpack and checked my schedule. I wanted to make sure that I had all my books, notebooks, and homework. Then I left home and caught the bus to college. I arrived a few minutes before my first class. I was happy because I was not late. My first lesson was English. Our teacher explained a new grammar topic and asked us to practice speaking with our classmates. I enjoyed the lesson because I learned many useful expressions. Next, I attended my science class and then mathematics. During the lunch break, I met my friends in the cafeteria. We shared our lunch, laughed together, and talked about our weekend. After lunch, I went to the library. I had a group project to finish with 2 classmates. We worked together for more than an hour. Everyone shared ideas and helped each other. Our teacher was happy with our work. Later in the afternoon, I attended one more class. Before going home, I completed my homework in the study room because I wanted to relax in the evening. When I arrived home, I felt tired but satisfied. I had dinner with my family and told them about my day. My younger brother listened carefully and asked many questions about college. After dinner, I helped him with his English homework. Then I cleaned my desk, prepared my bag for Tuesday, and wrote tomorrow's schedule in my notebook. Before going to bed, I read an English story for 20 minutes. Reading every day helps me improve my vocabulary and speaking skills. Finally, I turned off the light and went to sleep. Although Monday was busy, it was also productive and enjoyable. I finished everything on my schedule, learned new things, spent time with my friends and family, and felt proud of myself. That is why I believe a busy day can also be a happy and successful day when you plan your time well. Listening questions. Now answer these questions. What time did Sophia wake up? She woke up at 6 o'clock. What did she eat for breakfast? Eggs, toast, fruit, and tea. Where did she work on her group project? In the library. What did she do after dinner? She helped her brother with his English homework. Why was Sophia happy at the end of the day? Because she finished everything on her schedule and had a productive day. Excellent work. Everyday English practice. Now repeat these useful sentences. I woke up early. I had a busy schedule. I finished my homework. I learned something new today. I had a productive day. I'm ready for tomorrow. Fantastic. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions in English. What time do you wake up on Monday? What do you do before school or work? What is your busiest class or activity? How do you spend your evening? What do you do before going to bed? Take your time. Speak slowly. Use complete sentences. Every conversation you practice helps you become a more confident English speaker. English learning tip. Talking about your daily routine is one of the best ways to improve your English. Remember to use time expressions like in the morning, after breakfast, at noon, in the afternoon, in the evening, before bed. These expressions help you describe your day clearly and naturally. Practice them every day. Final review. Today you learned how to talk about a busy Monday, describe your daily routine, talk about school and work activities, use time expressions, share your daily experiences, improve your English listening and speaking skills. Excellent work. You are improving your English step by step. Thank you so much for learning with Daily English Flow. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I'll see you in our next English listening practice. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and never stop improving your English. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.